Hey guys, we're Mads and Dan and we're travelling around Australia in our self-converted van, Rio.
Definitely one of Rio's most popular features is this back pull-out table and benches. So I thought we'd make a video just showing you how it was made. Basically I got some locking slides. They're super heavy duty, so they can take 227 kilos each, so definitely sturdy enough to sit on, and can take weight of probably up to like 2 people per side. So yeah, as you can see, can take a lot of weight. I'm about 100 kilos, so, and there's no issues at all. Super strong. Something definitely to note when installing the slides is you got to make sure that your point where you're fastening it is strong enough to take it. Even though the slides can take over 200 kilos, you got to make sure that where you're fastening it to the van is strong enough as well to take that weight. As for this, just built a timber frame with some pine from Bunnings, and then this is just decking timber on top. So I used mobile decking for the top. It's good kind of all-round weather timber, and it looks good. Got a nice dark stain to it, so very happy with that. So another feature we have is I added like a second slide to come out the bottom, which kind of turns this into more of a bench or a sofa. So if we don't want to use the table, then we just pull out that bottom one, put a rug and some cushions on top, and it's really nice and comfy.
This is a bit more comfy, a bit more like a sofa. So we use this a few times, but we definitely use the table a lot more.
The whole project only took a couple hours really, just getting everything cut up, and I think it adds a great feature to the van. The slides are pretty expensive because they're obviously very heavy duty, but the decking timber and the timber used to build the frame is not too bad. Just all stuff from Bunnings and general tools, so literally anyone can do it.